In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Brother INKvestment MFC-J1365DW to your Wi-Fi network using the WPS method. So on the display, make sure it's turned on by pressing any buttons to wake it up. You're going to press the settings button once, go down, select network by pressing OK, press OK again, go down using this button, until you see WPS, push button, press OK. Now it says start WPS on your wireless access router, then press the arrow. So right now, go on the router and find the WPS button. Could be on the back, could be on the front, and you'll have to keep it pressed to engage, to enable this method. Then go back quickly to your printer, usually if you have about a minute or two, and you're going to keep press this button over here, keep it pressed, and the printer will start searching for your Wi-Fi router. It can take a few seconds, so just be patient. And at the end, you should get the connected message, signifying that the printer is now fully connected to the router and your Wi-Fi network. If you go back on the main menu, you should see the Wi-Fi status icon showing you if you have a strong signal, a medium signal like I do, I only have 2 bars, or a very weak one. This is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Take a moment and comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.